Hi, my name's Hannah and I'm on the marketing team with BraceAbility, and today we're going to be taking a look at the BraceAbility post-op walking shoe. After a foot or toe operation or injury, the most important thing you can do is to protect yourself while healing. This medical shoe is perfect for post-surgical healing, foot and toe trauma, and wounds or ulcerations. This lightweight, low-profile shoe is great for those who are further along in the recovery process, and it allows for more mobility than your standard walking boot, without sacrificing that protection for your foot. The open square toe design provides a protective buffer to keep from stubbing your toe. It also allows for more space to comfortably wear a bandage, tape, or any other dressing that you may have on the injured area. The soft, durable, and shock-absorbing EVA foam insole provides superior comfort. Its rocker bottom sole promotes a more natural step, reducing plantar pressure by over 25%. Adjustable sizing ensures that this will be a good fit for everyone. Aside from our range of sizes that will fit both men and women, each brace features adjustable medical-grade fasteners that can tailor to the fit that you need. The straps can even be trimmed if you need it. No matter which foot needs support, we've got you covered. This brace can be worn on your right or your left foot. It's designed to be worn in most day-to-day situations, including driving, walking, working, or just relaxing at home. The non-slip traction sole makes walking outdoors safe and manageable. If you have any further questions, feel free to get in contact with us. We're here to help you get back to life.